Howdy folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'm trying to remember where I put my glass. Oh yeah, sorry. Got my readers on. Alright, what we're going to talk about today is having some kind of external off-grid power source that you use for cooking. And usually you're going to be cooking in something like this. Alright, this is steel, hammered down and thin. Alright. Not cheap, folks. I put this over here. Okay. Now, I still have to clean this up because my nephews borrowed it and you kind of notice it's covered in grease. This is a butane stove. I have two of them. I have another one outside. I have this one right here. Takes a can of butane. Easy to use. Easy to set up. Alright, see the controls? Press this down all the way down. Turn it to down here until it sparks. Sometimes it doesn't spark because your stupid nephews forget to clean the surface. Because this is take 2 because they did it. So we're going to turn this on. I have to do it on a level surface. You won't see it until I turn it on. Okay, you see the flame? Yep, that goes. Okay, that does work. Easy as pie. And it comes with a case so you can put it away. I have 2 of these. Okay. One I let my nephew use, one I have stashed away so they don't know about it. Another thing we use this for is making hot pot. It's a ceramic pot used by Japanese and Koreans. See that? Has a lid. And we make soup, stews in this. Alright? It's heavy, it's dense. It keeps food nice and hot. And it's a family affair thing. Alright, put that over there. And make sure everything's, I still have to clean it. Good. You know nephews, grandnephews. If it wasn't for old Uncle Al, they'll be out there like most idiots, like, I'm trying to make a wood fire. I'm old, I'm not stupid. You got a little stove right here. I have a bigger one outside on my camper, but that's propane. Uncle Alan is, I work smarter, not harder. When you get to my age, you have to think about, well, do I have to chop wood for about 2 hours and make a little fire and get the coals right and adjust the heat and everything? I could still do it. But this is a lot easier, folks. It's not rocket science. Very simple. All right? And I'll see you later. You have a nice day. Think about it, folks. Something smart or you're out there chopping wet wood. Think about it. I'll catch you later. Bye.